Yeah, this is Sathi Channo. So today we're gonna discuss about ICP6, like which is one of the important topic about topic modeling. So it is a statistical modeling for discovering the topics according to the words, topics, and like we can design a graph which can be easily visualized by seeing these topics. So these are the topics. Basically, the bubbles are topics. So if the both bubbles are overlapped here, so it tells that like both are related. So if the topics are far and they are individual, then they are completely different bubbles, so different topics. So for this, like we are using some libraries. So we need to install PYLDAVS, and so we gonna import some models, like we gonna get some we're gonna get some coherent score and what is the thing. So I took the parameters, the three parameters, like which is words, number of topics, and passes. So if I decrease the number of topics to 4, so like I can't here there is no overlap between the bubbles. So hence that is a good match, and that will be the good model according to the rules. So like if we have the more topics and more passes between them, then there will be some overlaps, and so it will be little bit clumsy. So like to understand the things, so now I have changed the topic to 4. So now like we're gonna get some so these are the not overlapped now. So as you can see, the topic 1, 2, 3, 4, like completely individual. So in this way, like I have chosen three parameters, like which are like number of topics, number of words, and in the same way, like we have eta, alpha, and all those things, so we can make. So I have made 10 different type of models with changing the values of number of topics, passes, and number of words. So in the same way, I have performed many individual models, and traced all those screenshots in my wiki. So like where we can find all those models in wiki. So and this is one of the important model, and where we can extract information. So the main thing is like we can visualize the information easily. So the for this we like for for plotting this visualization, like we are using PLDAVS library. So this is a like it's a kind of package which is designed to help users to interpret the topics in a topic model. So in this way, like we can interrupt. So like this, the package, like it will extract the information from the fitted LDA topic. So these are the LDA topics. So it will extract the information to inform that interactive web-based visualization. So this is the interactive web-based visualization. So this visualization is intended to be used with an iPad notebook. So we can use it in Jupyter. So it's easy way to. So we have from like we have to use this library, and so we can see the next topic. So here we have four topics, right? So depending on the topics, it will see the words and the top more terms, like which are easily. So the coherent score, like we can see the similarity between the similarity scores, like which are related to the topics. So for the reviewing, the the main important thing for this topic modeling is like we can review the whole topics, and we can get an information about the models and all those things. So this is how the ICP6. So this is like you can find information in my wiki, which is submitted. So yeah, thank you so much.